The Colorado state budget is almost $27 billion. $27 billion, that's a lot of money. And it comes from taxpayers like you and me.
Fortunately, since 1992, Colorado has had the Taxpayers' Bill of Rights, known as TABOR. TABOR controls the growth of government and makes politicians and bureaucrats stay on budget, just like the rest of us.
TABOR limits government by the growth of our population plus inflation. And the ideas work so well that more than half of the states in our country have adopted our idea.
Under TABOR, you are protected. If the legislature or special interests want to increase taxes, they have to ask you.
Sometimes voters have said yes to more taxes for schools, roads, and prisons. And sometimes they have said no to taxes that would only benefit special interests.
TABOR allows extra funding for emergencies like floods and fires. And because it creates predictable tax rates, businesses can grow and hire more people.
TABOR has worked well in Colorado for almost 25 years. It's kept our economy stable while other states struggle.
But now special interest groups and the governor want to fundamentally change TABOR. They say, just trust us, we'll decide. But what they really want is more money, more control, and no limits on government spending.
Colorado doesn't have a revenue problem, they have a spending problem. And remember that government can only give something to someone when they've taken it from someone else.
With TABOR, you are in control. Don't let politicians and special interests rob you and your family of a secure future. Visit thetaborfoundation.org and spread the word.